Namaste. Welcome to Astro Remedy Junction. This is Dr. Amit Arshad Mehta. Today's topic is about wealth. How to attract the wealth. So, to attract the wealth, you don't have to do everything wrong. By doing the right, also, you can welcome the wealth, and that will stay into your home for lifelong. Lord Kuber is the distributor of the wealth, and Devi Mahalakshmi ji is having all the wealth in her custody. So the deciding factor is Mata Lakshmi only, but the distribution part is given to Lord Kubera. So Kubera is also known as the 10th Dikpal in the Vastu Shastra. He is given the place in the north. So he always stays in the water, in the pond or the lake. So I will show you one mudra and one simple remedy that will help you for the wealth inflow. Wealth inflow will be much more by doing this remedy. I always say that simple remedy only works, and it will work for you 100% if you do it with full faith. See, without a fuel, a car cannot run. So without faith, anything, any remedy will not work. So faith is necessary in any remedy you do. Upon the giver also and yourself also. So have faith in both. So I will show you the mudra that will help you to welcome Kuber, Lord Kuber, into your life. Just actually with your hand, these 4 fingers are there. These 2 fingers, you have to actually touch it with your thumb, and these 2 fingers, you have to close it. Just this way. This way you have to do. So this is the, just close the last finger and the ring finger. Then the remaining thumb, index finger and the middle finger is there. Just touch it. So just keep it like this for 15 minutes. Daily 15 minutes. Means it has to be done 45 minutes. At the start you can just do for 15 minutes in a day. After few days you can increase the timings. So this way, don't think about the money, don't think about the wealth, because this mudra in itself is the wealth. It will make Lord Kuber to reach at your home. So don't think. Regularly thinking about the wealth creates the negativity. So don't think about the wealth. Just do your work. Automatically, Lord Kuber will come and will bless you. And the second remedy is, just take the cow dung and the elaichi. With the help of cow dung, just take the small piece of the cow dung and actually place the elaichi above it and actually burn it in the southeast zone of your home. Let it be your main door, let it be your living room, let it be your bedroom, anything that is coming in the southeast. But the first room, it should be there. So just take the cow dung, the dry one, and keep it above the cow dung, the elaichi. Do this much only and burn it. And rotate the smoke first in the entire house and then keep it rest in your southeast corner and let it burn it over there. Automatically you will see in a few days Mata Lakshmi will also enter your home. This is the most simplest remedy to welcome Mata Lakshmi this Diwali into your home. So do it with full faith on yourself also. So thank you very much. Namaste.